Welcome to the Charlie Show. This dog is just a good dog. He is not a designer breed. He is not a doodle in any way. As a matter of fact, he is mostly American Bulldog, and he does have a smidge of Catahoula Leopard Dog, which gives him a beautiful coat. He comes in at around 100 pounds, just shy of 100 pounds, so he's a big boy. He gets along with other dogs of all shapes and sizes. It does not matter who they are, he loves to play. He is rambunctious, so he does need some space to run and move. He is not an apartment dog. He has lived with cats in his previous home, so we know he's good with them. He shares all of his toys and food, no resource guarding to be known here. He is a very lovely pup. Charlie is very food motivated, so training is a breeze. He already has basic obedience, but he could use a lot more, and he has so much potential.
Stay. Break. Yay! Good. Go to your place. Nice. Nice. Good man.
Charlie gets excited at the start of a walk, but as you get going, he just meanders along with you. Walks are not his most favorite, and he is certainly not a running partner. He mostly loves to play with other dogs. And if you need to get him back by your side, he knows how to get back into heel position. This is called a left finish, and he does it very, very well. Charlie also is very good at sit stay. This works really well when you're going to go out a door or come in a door. He is still working on getting a really good recall. This is not only for convenience, but also for safety. Charlie is also working on being able to change body positions like sit to stand to down. This just keeps his brain occupied. The more we can use his brain, the better behaved he is. He loves training and he loves snacks. Charlie would do best in a home without young children. He is crate trained, he is potty trained. He does need an owner that will provide boundaries for him and stick to them. He is young, he has lots of energy, but he's as sweet as they come. You better be sturdy, 'cause he's a leaner and he loves to cuddle. Check out his bio at Must Love Boxer Rescue.